Good morning, Pirate family. I hope you had an enjoyable Easter weekend and perhaps experienced it in a less hurried fashion as you might have in years past. I know I did. As you can see, I solved my running out of makeup dilemma. However, I worry this option might cause distortion in my voice. So I'm going to go with this one. Now I only need half the amount of makeup. After hair and makeup, my next problem, you guessed it, nails. What's a pirate to do? Moving on to the weekly update. So far, we have received good reports from our folks being quarantined as they report no symptoms or illnesses. This week, we will continue with daily meal pickup at the primary and elementary on Tuesday through Friday. Beginning next week, we will make a change and offer meal pickup on Monday and Thursday. Each of these days will provide 3 meals per child. This will allow our cafeteria ladies much needed breaks, as well as limit exposure as much as possible. Although this is fewer pickups, it will be 1 extra meal per week. This will continue until further notice. Governor Abbott held a press conference on Monday, and when asked about schools, stated he would announce more later this week. As soon as we have more information, we will let you know. Please stay tuned by checking our website and social media. The district will continue to conduct business as usual in that teacher contracts will be renewed at the April board meeting. Budget planning begins in April. However, this year we expect to prepare a very conservative budget due to so many unknown factors. The bills passed in May of 2019 gave taxpayers a break on their property taxes. Lytle ISD M&O taxes went from $1.17 to $1.04, with the state making up the lost revenue to the district. The bills passed included another cut this year, as the state plans to compress the $1.04 even more. This is good news for the taxpayer, just uncertainty for the district. The concern is the state is no longer generating the revenue to make up the loss due to property tax compression. The district will budget on estimates received from the state for the July 1st fiscal start and be very conservative with expenses. In addition to contracts and budget preparations, every April we also have our annual student showcase. This is the highlight of the year for showing off our student learning through projects. This year will be no different in relation to showing off, as we are planning for a digital student showcase. We will feature many of our students' projects that have been completed while being instructed remotely. Stay tuned, as you will be impressed with the amazing student work to come. Remember, the district is here to help our families, and we want to make sure you have internet and devices to support your children's education. If you need help, please reach out to your child's teacher, and we will make efforts to get you connected. On a less positive note, the district bus barn was broken into this weekend, and a vehicle was stolen. At the time of this taping, we just learned of the loss and are in the process of reporting it to the Lytle Police Department. I mentioned it as I am sure you will see more to come in the weekly police report. Until next week, stay safe and enjoy your week. Be a good pirate.